Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can book a hotel in Agoda. So you're just going to go to the website and you're going to enter a destination or property, so you can either type in the hotel you want to stay in or the city and you just want to look at places. So for instance, I'm going to type in Tokyo, Japan. I'm not going, but who knows. I'm going to press search. Then I'm going to view the hotel that I want to stay in. For instance, I don't know, this one. Select it, and then you're just going to look at what options they give, and you're just going to book now for the room you want to stay in. And then you're just going to do your payment and stuff like that. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.